Coming to you from the Next Weather studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Let's give you a live look from outside the King and Queen buildings on our beautiful camera in Sandy Springs. Quiz. Which building is that, the King or Queen building, TJ?
Of course, that is the King building.
That is the King building. The Queen building is a round one, right? So, okay, take a look. Beautiful, kind of, sort of. You see some clouds. Actually, this is a lot better than it was just a few minutes ago because look, just down the road, a flash flood warning for DeKalb and Rockdale County. The rain has moved south toward Covington and diminished, but up toward Sugar Hill, there's still some downpours. A reason for this flood warning, look at some of these reds, anywhere between about 2 to 3 inches of rain coming down in just about a half hour to an hour's time. So I'm sure there's some areas that do have some water on them. There's probably some good ponding going on here. If you see water that you don't know the depth of ahead of you, turn around. Don't drown. Use an alternate route. And then comes tomorrow. Look at this. Still the same setup. We've got a level 1 of 5 risk of severe weather here in Atlanta, points north and east, but really the worst of it probably in that area in yellow, north and east of Gainesville, extreme northeastern Georgia and the Blue Ridge, could have a 2 of 5 risk of severe weather there. All right, follow me. Let's go ahead and open up the windows and we'll show you Midtown Atlanta where we've got our chopper that's going to fly by, and we've also got plenty of clouds right now. So be ready to not have your shades out, not just yet, but looks like things are going to clear a bit as we head into this afternoon as this one batch of rain and storms continues to kind of feather out to our west across Alabama and western Georgia, and will continue to sink its way down towards the Gulf Coast and away. And you'll notice that as we're heading into the afternoon now, it's kind of a nocturnal system. As we head into the afternoon, we're starting to see these showers and storms diminish. So I think we're kind of done with this. We're going to hang out with some of the residual clouds, but then some breaks of sun. And that means heat is going to build in actually from the west. There's what we call here, this is the Y pattern, a ring of fire. What does that all mean? Well, this area in blue, that's a jet stream. That carries along storm systems. South of that, there's a big, huge heat dome that's building. We're going to be in and out of that, but we're also going to be under that kind of transition zone with these L's coming by. And what those are periodic storm systems. So what that's going to mean for us today is after the storms, the heat. Look at that, highs in the low to mid 90s building in. Let's take a look at the future cast. Here are the storms I'm talking about in that transition zone. Heading toward about 4 or 5 o'clock, there could be some spot storms out toward Athens and Eatonton. Those diminish overnight and into tomorrow, but guess what? They could be back for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening after about, say, 4 or 5 o'clock, especially east of town, just like today. In that transition zone, we're going to see that risk of some scattered showers and storms once again. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 7-day forecast. Hot ones coming, 91 degrees for today, 93 tomorrow. A little better risk of showers and storms, again, especially east. It stays hot to wrap up the week before we get a cold front in here with rain and storms and 80s this weekend.